Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Remitly, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Remitly transaction history? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Remitly transaction history? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you have virtual assistants that work in other countries and you pay them directly through Remitly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled here in the app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Remitly app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Remitly. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check your transaction history through Remitly, it's only going to show you the last two transactions right here. However, to view all of your recent transaction history with Remitly, you want to click on this blue button right here called View All. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show all of your history through Remitly, so you can just scroll through and look through all of your transactions. However, I want to let you know that it's only going to show the transaction history for one particular country. If you happen to send Remitly transactions to different countries, then what you're going to have to do is go back here, click on this back button. Okay, so here at the top, you're going to see a flag, so you can see this is Colombia. And let's say that you sent money to a different country. All you're going to do is click on that little pencil icon. Okay, and then all you're going to do is just scroll through until you find a different country that you had sent money to. So let's go ahead and choose Brazil. Okay, so once you click there, you can see that the transaction history has changed. It's only showing transaction history for Brazil. Same thing, it's only going to show the two transactions that were most recent in my Remitly. If I need to see more transactions, I'll need to click on View All. Okay, so here you go. You can see all of the Remitly transaction history for this particular country, and same thing, you can just scroll through. So just kind of keep that in mind. You do have to switch between countries if you are paying some of your employees in different countries through Remitly. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to get your transaction history in Remitly, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.